Meaning of deathless.
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 Deathless. The term deathless refers to something that is never-ending, eternal or immortal, and cannot be killed or destroyed. It denotes a state of being that transcends the limitations of mortality. The concept of deathlessness can be associated with various facets of human existence, including spirituality, mythology, literature, and art. It is often used metaphorically to describe things that are timeless, enduring, and unforgettable. The idea of deathlessness could evoke a sense of awe, wonder, and mystery, as well as inspire people to strive for greater heights and pursue their most cherished dreams.